Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a map chart in Excel. Map charts are a fantastic way to visualize geographical data such as sales, population or regional performance. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a beautiful map chart with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Here's an example dataset of total sales by country. Make sure your data has two columns, one for countries and one for their corresponding values. Excel needs this structure to create a map chart. Select your dataset, including the headers, country and total sales. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, look for the icon labeled Map Chart. It looks like a small world map. Click on it. From the drop-down, choose Filled Map. Boom! A map chart will appear on your worksheet with the countries shaded based on their sales values. Now let's customize it to make it more polished. Click on the map chart to bring up the chart tools in the ribbon. Use the Chart Elements plus button to add or remove labels. Use the Chart Styles pane to select a design that fits your preference. If some countries don't appear on the map, double-check the spelling of their names. Excel may not recognize abbreviations or unusual spellings. When you follow these steps, Excel will generate a map where each country is shaded according to its total sales. For example, countries like China and India will have darker shades since their sales are higher. Countries like Sri Lanka and Australia will have very lighter shades as their sales are lower. Bonus tip: use the Format Data Series options to change the map projection or map area or the map labels. You can also apply a sequential 2-color scale or diverging 3 colors like this. For instance, red color for minimum sales and green color for maximum sales, and say blue color for midpoint sales. Once your chart looks great, copy it to a PowerPoint slide or save it as an image to include in your reports. And that's it. You have successfully created a map chart in Excel. Map charts are perfect for presenting data geographically and make your reports stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with others. Don't forget to check out my other Excel tips and trick videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.